Mabuhay and welcome to the Mabuhay podcast where we celebrate Filipino stories and traditions around the world and where we talk about life living abroad. Yes, today we'll talk about a heartfelt topic where we Filipinos keep the spirit of Paskong Pinoy alive even if we're far from home. Joining me today is a good friend of mine all the way from Ottawa, Canada, Malu. Hello, dear. Hi. Mabuhay.
Hi. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay, dear.
Welcome.
Thank you for your time. I know this is, again, very spontaneous. Okay. You know me, I'm a very spontaneous kind of person. So I decided to invite you to be a guest for today's session because I'm very interested of how your life there in Ottawa is, and at the same time, how you guys celebrate Christmas. No? So, before we start, briefly introduce yourself. Ganon.
Hello, everyone. I'm
Oh,
Malu.
diba? Very mindful.
Yes, very demure. So
Okay, go ahead.
I'm from Cebu, originally from Cebu, moved here to Canada in 2015 with my family, and I've made my own family in Ford when I was 27. Yeah, I think that's
Hmm.
yeah, 20. Yeah, 27.
You guys moved there 2015?
Yeah.
Not, huh? I thought, so wait, I arrived here 2011. So, I thought 2 years after,
We left.
uh, you left.
No, not yet, mommy.
2015. So, my gosh,
Yeah,
it's
it's not
been
that
9
long.
years.
Oh, yeah,
9 years.
almost 9. Yeah.
Nice.
And
How's life in Ottawa, Canada?
so I'm not really in Ottawa right now.
Okay.
I live in a small town, 30 minutes west of Ottawa. So it's not that far. It's only a 30-minute drive from here. From here to my parents. My parents live in Ottawa, but when we moved to Canada, I we lived in the city, like almost downtown. It was nice. It was different at first. Like it's not like in the Philippines when you go out you see your neighbors and hi and chit chat and stuff. It was very depressing
I know, I know.
to not have any friends.
I can
Yeah, so
imagine.
basically the friends we made here are like a family because like when you don't have anybody you try to make you try to make a new family out
That's
here.
it. Yeah, that's true. That's exactly it's going to happen if you're not really um if you're in a different country but you don't expect that there are Filipinos around you. Of course.
Yeah.
I mean, unless if you're in Dubai, if you're in Dubai, wherever you go, there are so many Filipinos. Diba? So
Everyone.
everywhere, left and right there. Okay,
Yeah.
so today we'll explore how we recreate our beloved Christmas traditions wherever we are. Yeah, because it's very timely. Pasko na naman,
Yeah.
'di ba? And in my case, I've been here for 13 years, and it's been 13 years since the last time
That's a
I
long time,
celebrated. It is. And it's been 13 years since the last time I celebrated Christmas in the Philippines, and that was, I
in the
think,
Philippines. Yeah.
2010. No?
Oh,
So,
yeah.
super tagal. Super tagal na ng
Yeah.
13 years. No?
Yeah.
So,
I
ah,
can't remember when I met you. All I know is we're friends.
the last time we met, siguro was, my gosh, in boarding house pa.
Mm. Yeah.
You guys were
With
still
Anika.
students.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. You guys were still
That
students. You guys are, uh, friends kayo ni Anika, and every time na kayo ni ano, ni, sino yun?
thing. And Din
Yes,
Din.
Dindin. Oo.
Din
Oh,
Din, yeah. Din
she's
Din's in
married.
Korea now.
Oh, for good?
Yeah. Yeah. She's got 2 kids. She's a Korean citizen now too.
Lovely, anyong sa'yo.
Yeah.
Gano'n, 'di ba? Anyong
Yeah.
sa'yo, ayan. Okay, so let's get into our topic today, about Christmas. So,
Yeah.
um, for us Filipinos, Christmas is not just a day. Agree,
No, no,
diba?
it's not.
It's not just a day. It's a season for us.
It's a week, and then it jumps to New Year,
Ang
'di ba?
haba, 'di ba? Ang haba ng ano natin, ang haba ng Christmas natin, 'di ba? So,
It's like an Indian wedding. It's
it
so long.
is it, 'di ba? Gano'n, ayan.
Yeah.
So, um, Christmas is not just a day for us. It's a season. It's a
Yeah.
season. It's a season filled with love, with faith and family. And um, it's actually our Christmas is very unique. To be honest, Paskong
It is.
Pinoy is actually very unique compared to um,
Mhm.
other countries who celebrate Christmas. So let me ask you this: what do you think makes our Paskong Pinoy unique, man?
Back in Cebu, we used to attend Simbang Gabi.
There, I miss that.
Yeah, so every 4 a.m. we're at church attending, like, and complete the
The 9 days,
Christmas
the
service.
nine
Yeah, the
mornings.
nine
Yes.
days. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then here it was very different because aside from it's cold, it's freezing cold. Like, you don't want to leave the house because of the temperature outside. You just, like, if you can watch it on YouTube, the mass, you'll just stay at home.
Diba, if it's
And the
possible to watch it online. Mm-mm.
Yeah, now it's possible, but like before COVID, when we came here,
Mm-mm.
like, I think the evening mass is at 7 or 8. So when the mass is done, like the temperature drops. It's very
Mm-mm.
different.
Mm-mm.
So in Cebu, what we did, that's we didn't grow up with money.
Mm-mm.
So, like, we go with our faith basically, like, it for every day.
Mm-mm.
So that's what we did. We go to church for 9 days, and then Christmas Eve we'd attend church, and then if we have food on the table that night, we'll get together, we'll
Mm-mm.
pray, get together, eat, and a good thing the cousins just, it's just like a compound, like everyone lives in the same place. So even if
Uh,
you don't have much in your house, you can go to a cousin's house, and then you party, you celebrate until morning, and then we do Filipino games, and there's not always a lechon with all the cousins, but there's like a barbecue, like, it's
mm-mm.
so fun.
Right. And
It's like a birthday
sometimes,
party that I never had.
right. And sometimes
And
the Christmas party actually goes on continuous but the following day.
yeah,
'Di ba?
yeah,
Kasi
yes,
we
yes.
have we have leftovers.
Mhm.
'Di ba? We have the leftovers from the Noche Buena, and then sometimes, it's not sometimes, but most of the time, when your sabihin natin, when your auntie makes spaghetti or macaroni salad, mga ganon, and then
Yeah,
your family only cooks this and that, you
yeah,
crave, and then you go to your auntie's house
yeah,
and say like, auntie, can I ask for
yeah,
you bring a paper plate, or you bring
yeah,
a
yeah.
Tupperware, and ask something from what she cook, 'di ba?
Mm.
That's one thing na nami-miss ko talaga sa Philippines. And I think um that's one also a unique that's unique way of celebrating Christmas for us, we
Yeah,
Filipinos, 'di ba?
yeah,
The Simbang Gabi, the nine days, and true enough,
yeah,
um our faith pushes us, really. Our faith pushes us to really to stand up or to wake up in the morning at 4 a.m., sometimes 3 a.m. And I remember I used to be an acolyte for 2 years, and I can't miss a novena talaga because I'm part of the mass. I'm
yeah,
part of the mass, and I'm
yeah,
so excited. I'm so excited also to join the mass because I like the feeling yung nagpaparade yung mga, 'di ba, gano'n yun, the
yeah, yeah,
opening, nagpaparade
yeah,
yung pare, tapos the acolytes behind, and the rest of the people. Tas yung incense, yun,
yeah, yeah.
'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yun yung isa sa mga na-miss ko during Simbang Gabi. And I also practice that even yung employed na ako. When I was employed na, I still attend simbang
Attend mass,
gabi.
yeah.
Oo. So it's really a tradition. No, it's really a
Yeah.
tradition.
When we were younger, we were told by our parents, "Oh, if you complete the mass and then you pray for something or you wish for something, it's gonna come
There.
true." Yeah. So that was like the motivation to attend the mass even though you're
Mhm.
so sleepy and you didn't wanna
Mhm.
go to church and
Mhm.
growing up without nothing, it's like that's the only chance if like that time you I like in our country 16-year-olds don't really work yet. Unlike
Mm.
here,
Mm.
like they have their 16-year-olds working in McDonald's, but us, our priority was to study. So back then, when you don't have your own money and you try to like help your parents, that was my prayer. Like, oh, I hope we'll get out of this. Our family situation right now, especially financially. So that
Mm.
was my wish, and then good health and no big family problems. Problems are always there, but not huge big ones. So that was my motivation. Like, oh, like I don't want like the material stuff. Santa Claus isn't even a thing. Di ba, mami?
Mm.
Sa
No,
Pinas, like,
Santa
it's
Claus is
very
not even a thing.
Western culture.
Right.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's
Mm.
just now that there's social media and like everyone wants to do things that people are doing here on the West, so they do it there too. Like Halloween, we don't have that. We don't trick
Exactly.
or treat before. We just go
Exactly.
to the cemetery and visit our loved ones. That's it.
Right.
But here, mommy, oh my gosh, I was so shocked because so when my husband and I got together, I attended their very first Christmas. So I said, "You don't celebrate Christmas like Christmas Eve and then like eat at midnight?" Like it was all so new. And he was like, "Why would you do that? You'll be so tired during Christmas." He was shocked too because I brought him to my parents' house. So we had dinner. He's like, "We already ate." I said, "Yeah, but it's midnight. We have to eat again."
That's the Noche Buena. That's the
Crazy.
Noche Buena tradition
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we have learned from the Philippines, from our lolas. Na um we we have to eat the Noche Buena exactly at 12 midnight.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
if nagugutom kayo, then okay, pika-pika lang, but you're not allowed. I remember this.
You're
You're
not
not
allowed to eat
allowed to
like the
touch.
big meal.
You're not allowed
Yeah,
to touch the spaghetti and the macaroni and the
yeah,
biko kasi it's intended for midnight, 'di ba?
yeah. When
I
everyone
remember
is there.
correct, when everyone
Yeah,
is there
in the
after the
West.
mass, gano'n, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Um,
yeah,
that's where the room starts to be festive na
yeah,
dumadami na
yeah,
yung mga tao, ganyan. Um,
yeah.
I on my first I would say in the first 3 years siguro, I practiced that. Pero hindi siya
Mhm.
naging successful because like what I said, 'di ba sa atin yung Noche Buena natin, we really have to have, kahit gaano kaliit or gaano kalaki yung table natin, we have to fill
Yeah,
it with so much food, 'di ba,
yeah,
yung gano'n.
yeah. You
And
can't even sit at the table. You just have the food there.
correct, yeah, you just have to have the paper plate and then, pick the food that you want and then sit in the sala, 'di ba?
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah.
I told my husband about this and then I told him that, "Oh my gosh, I'm very excited because it's going to be my first Christmas here in Switzerland, so it has to be really the Filipino way." So, I prepared siguro I only prepared mga 3 dishes lang and biko is really part of my Christmas, Noche Buena, menu.
Yeah, yeah.
Biko talaga 'yan, oh, 'di ba? So, I made biko, I made this and that, and then I told him, "We'll wait until 12 midnight." Sabi niya sabi niya like and then I look at the balcony, sabi niya, "Walang tao." 'Di ba? Kung saan ang fireworks? Walang
Yeah, yeah.
fireworks, oh, 'di ba?
Oh my gosh, yes, that's what I miss about
'Di
Christmas.
ba?
Like,
Walang fireworks,
it's super
walang
intense.
karaoke, walang mga boom, boom, boom around, wala kang naririnig na mga noises of mga bata na nagsisigawan because, yung
Mhm,
watusi, 'di ba, ng
mhm,
Bengala, gano'n.
mhm.
Walang gano'n. Sabi niya like, but why do we have to wait until 12 midnight?" Sabi ko like, that's how that's how we
Yeah,
celebrate Christmas in the
yeah.
Philippines." Sabi niya, "Can we just eat now?" Ko like, "Okay, we eat. Okay, let's eat now, pero let's wait until 12 midnight 'no? So
Yeah.
nanood kami ng TV, we waited for the countdown, and yun, and then we went to bed, ayun. So, I still do that now. I still do
Mhm.
that now, but we eat, dinner or the Noche Buena,
Yeah.
yung Noche Buena
Earlier.
nila dito earlier at
Yeah.
7, ayan. So,
Oh my
um
gosh, it's so
'di ba
early.
gano'n? Very early. And then, the opening of dito, what they do is the
Mhm.
opening of the gifts, it's at 12, not really at 12 minute, but they have after the dinner time, they have this opening of gifts.
Mhm.
Sometimes, depende sa family, sometimes they do, a caroling in front of the family. Gano'n,
That's
they
nice,
sing,
yeah.
oo, they sing "Joy to the World," ganyan. And that's also the time where they light the candles sa Christmas tree. Girl,
Mhm.
alam mo naman, 'di ba? You know how Philippines celebrate Christmas. We start Christmas September,
Oh, yes. I
'di
know.
ba?
This year, mommy, my husband was like, "Are you putting up the Christmas tree now?" September 1st.
Did you?
No, 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 I still don't have the Christmas tree, mommy, because the kid.
Bitaw. Ako, since wait, September, October, hindi ako nag-set up ng Christmas tree. I set up the Christmas tree after our vacation. So November na. So kinda late. But before, on my first 2, 3 years, siguro mga mid-September, meron ng mga bling-bling but not really a Christmas
Yeah,
tree.
not full on. Yeah,
Not full
not
on,
full on
yes, not
Christmas.
really
Yeah,
um, a f a full house na
yeah.
decoration. So may mga ano lang, may mga bling-bling lang ganyan. Pero the whole Christmas lights dito na pumapasok around mga late October, mga
Okay,
gano'n.
yeah, that's
And then
really
they
early,
use,
no?
yes, and they actually use a fresh Christmas tree.
Mhm.
Oh, 'di
Yeah.
ba?
My aunt does the same too. My
Hmm.
aunt in Glarus, yeah.
In
They
Glarus,
put
'di ba? That
yeah.
and which is really, I find it very costly because after the
Mhm.
Christmas season, I think they will collect all the Christmas tree after ano pala, after Three Kings. After
Mm-mm.
Three
Yeah, I
Kings,
think so.
they gather, there's also a tradition of Swiss, they gather all the Christmas tree, every barangay or kung saan ka nakatira, and then they go to that place and then they burn it. And
They
then
burn it.
all the oo, they burn it and then parang they make a circle, all of the people na
Yeah.
nagdadala ng Christmas tree, they form a circle and then nasa gitna yung mga compiled old Christmas trees. But I think that's really that what makes our Paskong Pinoy unique. We have
Yeah.
of among all the people in the world, we have the longest Christmas season. So again, we start in
Mhm.
September, and then
Yeah.
we have this family centric celebration where all the reunions,
Mhm.
nangyayari yung mga reunions, all the Christmas parties, and oh my gosh, speaking of
Yeah.
Christmas parties, we Filipinos love Christmas party. We love
Yeah.
exchange gifts. We love manito
All
and
the companies
manita.
have it, all the schools have it.
All right. So I think Christmas in the Philippines is one of the expensive season or
Yeah.
expensive
Very.
celebration among the Filipinos, 'di ba? So there. So we have we have the longest Christmas. We have the family-centric celebrations. We also have symbols. We have the parol and
Parol. Oh,
we
yes.
have the symbols of Christmas. In the Philippines, the moment we see parol na, no,
Mhm.
'di ba? Pag nakikita na natin yung mga parol hanging everywhere, especially in
The
the
street,
malls,
the
in the
the streets,
streets.
mommy, they sell them on the
Mm.
streets.
Speaking of Christmas lanterns back then, yung mga vendors na naglalakad along Colon Street where
Mhm.
yung nagdadala ng parang
Yeah, a
anong
long
tawag dun?
stick and then
A
the
long
lanterns are
stick and
hanging
then
on, yeah.
yes, but we're not talking stars here. We're talking
No.
about the
Yeah, yeah,
foils
the
na mga
foil ones. Yeah.
Christmas parol.
Life was so simple,
Life was so simple. Life was so
you know?
fun before. And we're happy na pag nag-exchange gifts, I remember yung ginagamit na box is yung box ng katol.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
we
'di
wrap
ba?
our gifts in newspaper. Like that's
Yun,
what we use.
oo.
Yeah, that's what we use anyways sa mga cousins ko.
Or
We
it's a
use
big or it's also a big
old
deal.
newspaper.
It's a big deal pag yung wrapper is very nice tapos may pa-ribbon.
Yes. Like exchange gift tapos sa'yo huminto yung gift. Ah!
Oh my gosh, tas lalo na yung box is very big tas may pa-ribbon. Tapos yung ribbon is yung
Yeah,
pink tapos super very, very big na ribbon. Oh my
extravagant.
gosh. Oo.
Yeah.
Tas when you open it, yung mga laman, mga goody-goody, mga gano'n,
Mhm.
pirate, yung mga chichirya, ayan. We're happy with that na, 'di ba, before,
Yeah.
'di
Mm.
ba? Or minsan nakakairita 'pag natanggap mo is mug or picture frame.
Sa school. Yeah, sa school,
Sa
mug and
school,
picture frame. Like,
'di ba? Mhm,
that's the go-to gift.
correct. Now you're in Canada, dear, how do you bring these traditions to life? Do you practice this pa? Or can you say that, yeah, siguro in my first 2, 3 years, I've
Yeah.
done this.
My parents and my sister still does it because they live in one house, like, they're they're living separate from us. I
Hmm,
think the only thing that, um, I still do with the kids is we go to my parents' house and then we eat at midnight. And
okay.
then we open gifts right after, and then we
Mm,
do karaoke.
right.
And my kids are still small; they don't really understand the Filipino games that much yet. So, but I really want to do that when they're older, when they're able to, when their cousins are a little older too, because their cousins are still small, so we can't really do much.
Siguro the least that I can do so that I can really feel the Paskong Pinoy is fill our house or decorate our house with so many series, with so many Christmas
Yeah,
lights,
yeah, yeah,
'di
yeah.
ba? Because it's for us in the
And play Jose
Philippines.
Marichan.
Ah,
Play Jose Marichan. That's the first thing I did September 1st. I played Jose Marichan. I
that's
told my husband
that's
he's better than Mariah Carey.
I know. Yun, the least thing that I can do is decorate our house with so many Christmas lights as much as possible. Um, if I can cook or if I can make my favorite dish for Christmas, ayan, biko is my go-to kakanin. Ayan, biko jud.
I love
No?
biko, mommy, especially
Yeah,
when it's a little burnt and has latik on top. Oh,
ah, 'di ba? But
that's my favorite
ah,
kind of biko.
'di ba? I want that biko very brown. I don't want the biko
Yeah,
na parang anemic.
like I really want it, like dukot and brown. What's the Tagalog of
Um,
dukot?
um, the
Burnt, burnt ang
yes,
ano. Yeah,
that that's the
you
bottom
know,
of you know
yeah.
what I'm saying
When it's hard
lisod.
and dark, I like it.
Yeah, when it's gahi, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Ayan,
so that's
so
what I like the most about biko, and my tatay makes a really good biko.
I think one of the challenges that we experience during this season is that um the cold season, 'di ba? The cold
Mm,
season. Ayan. So we can't
very
really go
depressing,
out.
mommy.
Huh?
It's very depressing.
It's actually
When it's
depressing.
cold, the sun is not out, it's cold, you can't really do much.
The weather
Like,
is
it's very, very
gloomy.
different.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ayan. Um even finding ways to go out talaga,
Mm.
to just to hang out with friends. Ang hirap. Ang hirap kasi nga uh cold, ayan, snow, ayan, we just had a heavy snow a week ago and
We
ngayon
already
it's
had
gone.
one.
Yeah, it's gone now. So we're hoping that we'll experience the white Christmas this year. Um, how about finding Filipino ingredients for traditional dishes? Do you
Ah,
find that or do you think it's a challenge?
yeah. Especially
No?
where I live, mommy, there's no Asian store where I live. Like I really have to drive out of town just to find it. Even for binignit, I
Oh,
can't find those sago.
oo,
I
oo.
can't find those tapioca pearls anywhere here in town. So I really have to ask my husband, "Oh, can we go to Ottawa to get it?"
But
So
we're
it.
very creative, 'di ba? We're very creative. So
Oh
even
yeah.
if it's not tapioca,
Hmm.
you use quinoa
You
or you use
compensate. You use more banana and more
oh, 'di ba?
and more sweet
Just
potato.
exactly. 'Di ba we like for example, when it comes to making spaghetti, we like spaghetti na sweet. And
Sweet,
if we
yeah.
can't find if we can't find Filipino,
The
what do you call
Filipino
it? The
spaghetti
Filipino
sauce.
spaghetti sauce. You use
Yeah.
the, of course, you use the what's in the store, diba?
Yeah.
You use what's in the store. You add hot dog. Oh,
Mhm.
Filipino spaghetti. Oh, ayan. Siguro, with to be honest, wala naman siguro tayo mga challenges na nai-experience when it comes to fulfilling
Okay.
the Paskong Pinoy kasi we are very creative. We're very resourceful,
Yeah. Maybe for the
'di
first year, it's very different, June.
Oh,
Like
yes, it is.
my sister and I cried because it was very quiet. There's no fireworks. Everyone was sleeping already. It was me and my sister who were awake. My mom and my dad, like we tried to do karaoke, but it was very weird and sad. Like
Yeah,
we were
yeah.
crying.
I think
We were
I think
talking.
yan lang siguro yung challenge natin, we Filipinos, na na-experience natin, um, during Christmas. Kasi nga, we are so
Yeah,
used to the festive kind of
yeah,
Christmas that we have in the Philippines that that's something that we look forward, no?
yeah.
Um, gaano man tayo kahirap sa
Yeah, it
Pinas,
doesn't have to be expensive, like
no,
money-wise.
but
It
the
just have
feeling,
to be like, yeah, yeah,
'di ba? 'Di ba
yeah.
yung
You can
gano'n na
play games without prices. That's it. Like
exactly,
just
exactly.
having fun.
I haven't tried that, the usual games, we have the trip to Jerusalem, we have the
Yeah.
the pap
Oh, we have crazy games.
the paper dance, we
Yeah,
have
we have those
the
too.
what to call that when the music stops?
Statue
Um,
dance.
that's the yes, the statue dance. Ayan, we have the best Christmas. We have the
Yeah,
best Christmas celebration now. Like from the
yeah.
Simbang Gabi to the Noche Buena.
Oh yeah,
Oh
that's
my gosh,
right.
I can remember na
Yeah,
I'm kind of mahiyain back then. Oh, 'di ba? Mahiyain. I was kind of very
very
demure and
different.
very mindful back
Yeah,
then. Nahihiya ako na pumunta sa mga ninong at ninang ko to ask for
yeah, me
um
too.
Christmas ano tawag doon? Ano bang
Christmas
tawag doon?
gift.
The Christmas gift. Oh, may term yan,
Yeah, there's a
aguinaldo.
term. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's aguinaldo, 'di ba? What
Pinaskuhan in Bisaya.
pinaskuhan in Bisaya.
Yeah,
What I usually do is I don't really explicit go there and say Merry
yeah,
Christmas. And what
yeah,
I
yeah.
normally do is I just pass by the gate over and over way, back and forth. I always like, and then
Pansinin niyo naman ako.
yes, I hide behind the tree, and then there was a time that I became so creative that I made a Christmas card out of a band paper, and I drew a Christmas tree, and then Dear Ninong Ninang, Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
No fancy message. And then
yeah.
I go to his or to her house, and then um I call the sister or the anak and say, "Hey, I have something for Ninong." And then I just wait in the gate until nasa, "Oh, you come up here. Oh, you're so
Yeah,
big
yeah,
na.
yeah.
You come up here." Then you bless, and then
Also, I notice Christmas people are more generous, Jude. Right? Muna
very
dagan mas
yeah.
kaya maraming nasa-scam every Christmas because people feel so
Yes,
generous.
yes. Yan. Iba na yung pagiging iba na yung
And
spending sa mga Filipino or ng mga tao ngayon sa Christmas compared before,
yeah,
'di ba?
I think it's
Kasi
because of social media. Like
ayan. So
they compare themselves to, people. Oh,
right.
they're doing this.
I just hope that we continue the tradition.
Yeah,
Continue the tradition of the real Paskong Pinoy. The real Paskong Pinoy where
less material things.
less materials, that we value togetherness and just being
Mhm.
together, and not
Yeah,
that you're nakikita ka lang or you show up because there's going to be a reunion, or you show up because your auntie
yeah,
from Gawas or
mhm,
from abroad came home
yeah,
and brought you some gifts, or you're expecting
yeah,
some gifts, diba? So
yeah. I think it's a Filipino thing. Like that's why they call us the most hospitable people because even if we don't have anything, we try to accommodate our visitors and like feel them welcome like that. So
that's where
it was
the
really nice.
new blankets and the new baso, the new utensils
Yeah, will come out. Yeah.
will come out, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And then after the celebration, your nanay, don't you wash that, you hide that in the cabinet.
Yeah.
Don't use that. You will only use the Pyrex and the, you
Yeah.
know, you only
So
use
there's
that
like
the
pambahay utensils and pambisita utensils.
exactly,
'Di ba?
exactly. Oh, lumalabas
Yeah.
lang yung mga bagong utensils every time na Christmas. And this reminds me all of a sudden, yung juice bowl na
Oh, punch
na
bowl. Yeah, the
yung
punch
punch
bowl. Yeah,
bowl
that's
na
right. Yeah.
naghahang
Yeah,
yung
cats.
mga 'di ba? Tapos
Yeah.
may sandok, may
Yeah.
sandok. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, I
There's
so
orange and
love that.
apples in the drink.
Oo, there,
Yeah.
and then you have the maja blanca on the table, you have the spaghetti na I think the pancit, the bihon, ganyan. Kasi nga lolo and lola will tell, "Oh, you make pancit and bihon because nakakaano,
I remember mommy, those food are
nakakahaba
just
ng
really
buhay." We don't have hamon.
yeah.
We were happy with the before ni
We had
nanay.
barbecue. That's it.
Oh,
Barbecue school skewers
barbecue
lang.
with ano, barbecue with marshmallows, and then
Hotdog with marshmallows tas
hotdog with
iugsok sa ano,
marshmallow, and then
saging.
sinuksok dun sa bani ng saging.
Panig ng saging, yeah.
Oo, 'di ba? Oh,
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah.
That's very festive na
Same.
for us. And then um I remember the Christmas lights pa before, the colorful na, and then when you open the Christmas card, oh my God, so many things that we're talking here. Um yung Christmas card, when you open it, tas kumakanta na Christmas card.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do you remember that?
Those are the really fancy ones.
Those are the
They're
really
very
fun, the fancy ones from Hallmark.
yeah.
From
Yeah, the very expensive ones.
very expensive.
You
Ayan. So,
notice, mommy, we don't really give out birthday cards or Christmas cards, no? Like if we attend to a birthday, we don't even bring gifts. I am the gift.
no, not
'Di ba?
really. Back
When we were
then,
younger.
no.
Mm.
We we go there, we attend because tinatawag din ng mga auntie at tita at mga tito at saka mga titos natin.
Yeah.
They invited us, and then we go out sa bahay, dala na natin yung paper paper plate with
Sharon
everything.
Cuneta.
Nag-exist na yung Sharon Cuneta back then pa daw. So
Yeah.
we have the paper plate na everything is ready na. So nandun yung cake na may icing, na yung icing na may
Mhm.
alambre,
Yeah.
yun. Tapos the biko on the side, the pancit on the side, tapos the
Yeah.
rice, and then the sudan, the ulam, all in
Yeah.
one plate, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And then we have to hold it, really have to hold it, and then walk slowly para hindi nalalaglag yung mga pagkain.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I remember that. Na-miss ko yung mga moment na
Growing
gano'n. Oh my
growing up din, mommy, nanay ko dealer ng Tupperware. So we had so much Tupperware in the house. I think we had more Tupperware than food. So every time if there's occasion, oh, my nanay was so upset because like I've worked hard for all those Tupperwares tapos di na masauli. I was
ang
like,
mahal na
where's the Tupperware?
ang
It's
mahal na,
mahal
'di
kaya
ba? Ang
back
mahal ng
then, 'di ba?
Tupperware, 'di ba?
Yeah.
True.
No, my nanay
Um,
was like, "Oh, just
oh
bring
my
your
gosh,
own next time."
correct, exactly. Ayan. Dear, we've really talked fruit
It's a
salad
lot.
here. We've really talked a lot here. This is kahit hindi na siya structured, but it's okay kasi ang saya to reminisce those wonderful things
Yeah.
during
Oh, I know, I
Christmas.
miss
But um we're about to, we're about to wrap up, but let me just ask you this question. How important is it, or how important is it that when, passing the Filipino traditions to the next generation?
It's
How
very
important?
important for me, mommy, especially because my kids grew up here. Like they have
Mm,
different Christmas traditions, like with my husband too. Like he would say, "Oh, this is how we do it." I said, "Yeah, but your kids are Filipinos too." That's what I
correct.
always say.
Mm,
So
right.
I remind my kids like my the kids would ask me, "Why are we doing this, Mama?" I said, "Well, it's part of Mama, and you're part of Mama." So like
Love that.
we I I I try to incorporate whatever I was raised with on in. I try to share it to them.
As time change, so the way um so the way tradition and practices being understood, 'di ba? Like
Yeah.
lalo na ngayon that
Mm.
with the younger generations, iba na yung thinking, iba na yung with the
Yeah.
with the tech-driven world, iba na yung nasa isip ng mga bata.
Yeah.
They don't really understand why we're practicing this, why it's like that. And
Mhm.
again, Filipino Christmas spirit reminds us of who we are. It really
Yeah.
reminds us of who we are, and that's what matters most because that's us. We grew up with this kind of tradition, and we really
Mhm.
have to pass it to the younger generations. If you have kids, then teach them, tell them why we are doing this and why we're practicing is, and then at the same time, let them understand and share your story. Ganito kami before. Yeah.
So
Yun nga, 'di ba? That's one of the thing na nanonotice ko nowadays when you say Christmas, it's equivalent na is Black Fridays,
yeah,
all the Cyber
so
Mondays, all of the
materialistic na.
sales, more materialistic na. And we really forget na the essence of a real Christmas, and that is,
Yeah.
celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, who is actually our salvation. The our Savior, right?
Yeah.
So um, we have to keep that in mind, and we have to pass that in the younger generations and let them understand the real definition of
Yeah.
Christmas. For our Filipinos abroad, whether you're in the Philippines or in abroad, I hope that this reminds you of the joy and resilience of the Paskong Pinoy. So,
Yeah.
how about you guys? How do you celebrate Christmas away from home? So share your stories with us. You can put this on the comment section. And if you have any suggestions for more episodes, please feel free to do it here. Remember, wherever we are in the world, as long as there's love, Paskong Pinoy will always feel like home. Diba? So,
True.
um, before we really end this, I want you to end the conversation by saying, I am Malu, I am a Filipino, and I miss blank. That's anything that you miss in
Like
the
pertaining
Philippines.
to Christmas?
Food,
Oh,
pertaining to food.
food.
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm a Lu, I'm a Filipino, and I miss budbud.
Suman, guys. Budbud is suman in
Oh
Tagalog.
yeah, suman.
Oh
Budbud.
my
No, same
God.
here.
Nakakamiss that. Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
I think I have to plan na my Noche Buena for this year. Okay,
Yeah.
so dear, thank you. Thank you so much
Thank you,
and
Mami.
enjoy your enjoy life in Ottawa. Take care
Thank
and
you. We're
Merry
hoping to go
Christmas.
to Switzerland. If we go there, we'll visit. Well, I'll tell you, and then
Please,
we'll
yes,
meet.
please. Yeah.
Yeah.